If your YouTube views drop after the first day of uploading it, these hidden settings might be the reason, and YouTube never warns you about it. This particular setting is turned off by default, but when I turn it on in these two videos, YouTube started testing it again. And guess what? I got a lot of views, subscribers, and watch hours. Now, in this video, I am going to show you where it is, what it actually does, and when you should never turn it off so you don't hurt your channel. Let's dive straight into the main video. Now, before I show you these settings, let me ask you something. Have you noticed that your videos does okay on day one after uploading it, then suddenly everything slow down? You didn't change anything, the content is good, but YouTube just stopped pushing it. That is exactly what happened to me. My views started dropping after, from this to this, and I thought it was the algorithm, but it wasn't the algorithm. It was just one setting I didn't know YouTube turned off for me. Now guess this setting. Drum rolls. This setting is called automatic dubbing. Yes, I know this is not your first time you hear about automatic dubbing. Everybody have been talking about it on this YouTube, and no, this is not always bad. But for many small channels, this can quietly affect your reach. But I know a lot of you don't know what is automatic dubbing. Now, what is automatic dubbing? Automatic dubbing means when you upload a video, YouTube will translate your video voice into other languages automatically without your consent. So let's say someone in another country can hear your video in their own languages. This is a good phase for your videos to reach a wider audience and get a lot of views. But let me be clear, this setting is not bad for everyone. Yes, it can only hurt your channel if your channel is still small, you don't have a clear main audience yet, like you are still trying to find your niche. Another one is most of your viewers are coming from one particular country. Let's just say most of your viewers are coming from Nigeria or one particular type of country. Your videos always struggle to get pushed by YouTube, and you know that when your video is being pushed, you get views. That is if you optimize that video. In this case, YouTube is trying to do too much too early, but don't worry, it can only help you if you already get views from many countries. Your channel is established, you have clear audience signals. So don't just copy people, understand your channel first before you copy any creators, and know the type of video your audience loves. Now let me show you on my screen record where to find and turn this particular setting on. I know this is what you have been waiting. I'm a ball, don't worry. Let's dive straight into our screen record. Come with me. So for you to get a lot of views and different people to watch your videos, guys, you know this is prayers every small YouTubers have been praying for their channel to get seen to different people and get a lot of views. So all you have to do is come over to your YouTube Studio, your Chrome version. Don't go any other site. So once you click on come over to your dashboard, look at the below the down part of your channel dashboard. You will see one particular setting, this particular setting you are seeing right now. So click this setting. Once you click these settings and wait for it to open, now it will bring you to this particular phase. Click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, you will have three options. The first one is basic info. You will see the second one, advanced features. You also see the third one, feature eligibility. Click on this advanced setting. It will bring you to this interface where you see your audience. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Google Ads account linking. That is, if you have any other account, you can link your account to this particular link here. You will see automatic caption. Look at this particular setting. You will see the automatic dubbing setting. Now once you look at it, you will see that it is turned off. It is not tick. Yes, so all you have to do is to click on this automatic dubbing, and that is all. Yes, once you click on it, you click on save. Your channel, you think is safe. Okay, so that is it. Go and play alongside with these settings and you get a lot of views from different people. So that is it. Not ignore these settings anytime. Okay, after turning it on, don't expect magic overnight. You need to upload normally as you used to. Focus on one audience and let YouTube understand who your videos is for. Now, once you have given YouTube this clear information, you will start getting that views. I mean, this particular setting that we just activated now, that is when it will start working on your channel. And you need to give it a simple video advice with one language, one clear title, and one clear thumbnail with one clear audience. So go and try this, and you are still going to come back on this particular video to thank me later. Do not forget to appreciate me in this particular video comment section. That is if only if it worked for you. Okay, now I'm not saying that this is the only reason your views are low, but if you're a small YouTube channel and you turn this off without you knowing, now you know. If you want some YouTube growth videos that can help you to get more views with some new YouTube features, I'll advise you to check this video. It's going to help you even more to know some settings you are going to turn on. And if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up so that it can get to a whole lot of people. Okay, so thank you for watching to the part of this video, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.